Did you know that 85% of people feel unfulfilled in their daily lives? What if I told you there's a way to rewrite your story to design a life that excites you, fulfills you, and makes you jump out of bed every morning? Imagine, for just a moment, living the life you've always dreamed of. Sounds impossible? Stick around, and I'll show you how it's not just possible but completely within your reach. We all have a vision of our dream life, but for most of us, it feels more like a fantasy than a reality. Here's the thing. Designing your dream life isn't just about material success, it's about finding purpose, fulfillment, and joy in the everyday. Today, I'll take you through the blueprint for creating that dream life, step by step. So, let's dive in. Let's be real, if it were easy to live our dream lives, we'd all be doing it. But the truth is, we face so many obstacles that hold us back. Fear of failure keeps us stuck in our comfort zones. Self-doubt makes us question whether we're even worthy of success. And societal expectations, they pressure us into living lives that please others instead of ourselves. Sound familiar? Here's the kicker. Most of these barriers aren't physical, they're mental. The stories we tell ourselves, the limits we believe in, are the chains that keep us from moving forward. The question is, are you ready to break free? Alright, so how do we begin designing our dream life? The first step is clarity. Take a moment to define exactly what you want. Not what others expect from you, what you truly desire. Write it down, make it vivid, and let it guide you. Second, visualize success. Picture yourself living that dream life in detail. What are you doing? Who are you with? How do you feel? Visualization isn't just daydreaming, it trains your brain to believe in what's possible. And finally, take action. Start small. Set goals that are specific, measurable, and actionable. Each tiny step builds momentum. Remember, you don't have to see the whole staircase, just take the first step. I'll share a quick story. A few years ago, I met someone who completely turned their life around. They were stuck in a soul-crushing 9-to-5 job, drowning in debt, and feeling utterly hopeless. One day, they asked themselves a simple question: what would my dream life look like if I wasn't afraid to fail? That question led to a series of small, courageous actions, starting a side hustle, learning new skills, and prioritizing their well-being. Fast forward to today, and they're running their dream business, traveling the world, and, most importantly, living life on their terms. Their secret? They stopped waiting for permission and started creating their own reality. That mindset shift changed everything. So, here's what we've learned. Creating your dream life starts with getting clear on your vision, believing in its possibility, and taking consistent, intentional actions to make it real. It's not an overnight transformation, but a journey, and every step counts. Now, it's your turn. What does your dream life look like? Drop a comment below and share your vision. I'd love to hear it. And if you're ready for the next step, check out my video on goal-setting techniques to help turn your dreams into actionable plans. The life you want is closer than you think.